It's me, Anila, and today I'm going to be making slime out of baking soda, contact solution, and clear glue. And then, of course, those are the ingredients you need, and then you need a bowl and a spoon. Okay, so let's start. So first, I'm going to pour in this. I don't think I'm going to pour in all of it. I'm probably going to pour in just like a couple teaspoons. Or just about, I'll stop. Just about there, probably. Because, like, if this is a fail, I don't want to waste my glue. That would suck. Now, if you guys look in here, you guys can't really see the glue, but you can try to look. Can you guys see it? It's right there.
Sure.
You guys see it? It smells weird. Okay. Well, anyway, so now I am going to put in 1 teaspoon of eye drops. Okay, so here we go. Pull this back. This stuff will even come out. This stuff won't come out. Okay, now pour it in there. Now we are going to mix it. I'm going to try to get this glue into here. Okay, almost. Okay, so now we are going to put in just about a tablespoon of this, baking soda. So here we go. Let's try this. Oh god. Got it. I didn't even get any. Okay, wait. So Chad, will you hold my spoon, please?
Sure.
I'm going to try to pour some. Hello?
Sure.
Sean, do you want to be in my YouTube video?
Alright, use the restroom.
Okay. Now I'm going to drop that in there. Okay, so now I'm going to mix. Mix. Okay, so it's already coming together. Okay. There's my slime right there. It's already come together. So keep mixing it. So now I'm going to knead it with my hands. So I'm gonna need a little more glue, just a little bit. Awesome! Okay, guys. So I'm gonna add more glue into here. Okay, just about that much. Okay. And then we're going to put this in there. Contact. Okay, so there we go. So okay, guys, so I got that in there. So now I'm gonna just knead it with my hands.
Alright, bring your licking.
Okay, so there we go. We're just kneading it.
Hello.
It's not that stretchy. Chad, you want to feel it?
Sure. Oh wow.
Does it feel like slime?
There you go. Not bad.
It feels hard. Harder than slime.
It was kind of funky, but.
Okay, I'm gonna remake